Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 15th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Amen. So Tesla was up quite a good day today, up $11.34. That's 1.52%. We closed at 755.83. Post-market now, we seem to be down at 755.15, down 68 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We stayed above 741, our support here, and now we seem to have gone very close to this resistance line, and we closed below it, and we seem to be obeying to that resistance for now. We have a longer wick at the bottom, so buying pressure during the day. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, this is the 930 here. So 930 opened quite up, went down a little bit, but then up all the way. And I just drew this before recording this. So we had a resistance at 754.48 that was used September 7th as resistance and also as support a little bit. We have had a hard time staying above that number here. We tried to cross that on September 14th and we failed. And now we tried again and we succeeded. We crossed out of it, and we also touched it here as a retest. So are we going to use that as a springboard to continue? That remains to be seen. Stochastic super high, 97. Everything else is very great. Let's go back to the daily chart. Daily chart stochastic is also very high. MACD was close to crossing over bearish, but no, has succeeded in staying there. And now we see the post-market a little bit down. So the post-market is a little bit down, but everything else seems to tell us that the stock is really has a lot of power. Yes, we are not yet close to that resistance. There's a little bit of gap there. So this is what we need to check tomorrow. So if you have TradingView, you can right click here and do add alert, and you can create an alert, and you can create the alert also on the 1 hour chart, but you can create an alert right here. So you don't have to think about the stock market. There's a little bit of a alarm clock here, so you can rest easy. And if you want to know when the breakout happens, when the stock crosses this, then TradingView is going to alert you. So this is what I am doing on 20 some stocks. So I don't invest only in Tesla and Palantir. So this is the way I do it, so that it's very efficient. You can put an alert on a specific price. You can put an alert on a trend line. You can also put an alert, and I was flabbergasted by this, you can do add alert on MACD. So if you want to get a notification when MACD is crossing, you can say MACD here crossing, where's MACD? MACD signal, and then you say create, and then it is going to tell you. This is one of the reasons I really like TradingView, because you can put alerts on anything. So this is what I am going to do for tomorrow to see what happens if we break out. If we don't break out, then I'm gonna let it fall a little bit. There you have it. This sounds like a TradingView ad, but I am not paid by TradingView unless you click on the affiliate link in the description below. Then you get a discount, and I also get a kickback. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can become a member if you want to encourage me to keep doing these videos. You can click on the TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.